Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to calculate networking days in Power Query. So this is my dates, start date and end date. I have also put here remarks that the result will come here 1 for 7 to 9th, and from 8 to 9th it will come 1 as 8 is Sunday. So I have put here remarks, and these are my holidays. So let's start. Now go to data, then from table and range, then click OK. Now you are in Power Query Editor. Here you can see the data type is date and time. Now convert it into day, replace current, same for end date. Okay. Now here our start date, end date, remarks, and these are the 5 conditions. Next, import holidays. So new source file from Excel book. Download. Here we have holidays. Now convert it into list. Go to transform, then convert it into list. Now rename it as holidays. We will use 3 functions of Power Query. As you know, there is no networking days calculation function in Power Query editor. So we will use first function List.Dates. This functions return the number of dates which you want. Here is the syntax. Same will use List.RemoveItems function to remove holidays, and finally we'll count number of days between start date and end date. So let's start. Go to new query, then other source blank query. Now go to advanced editor. Let's define variable start date, h date, comma, end date, h date, holidays, list h list, and the output we need in number, so that date list equal to list date bracket start. Or we'll take start date, comma, number from end date minus start date. start date and duration in days. Duration day, hour, minute, and second, comma. Next, remove holidays. Remove holidays. List. Remove items. Start date list. Holiday list. Comma. Count page. List.Count. Remove holidays. Here we have created the function for networking days. Click on done. Here we have created, you can rename this. So now go to add column, custom column, networking days. Here our function networking days. Start date, comma, end date, comma, holiday. Bracket close. Okay. Here you can see networking days. So how these functions work, you can see first it will generate number of days between start date and end date. Then what it do in list.remove items, it will compare the number of days from start date minus end date and with number of holidays. Then it will remove holidays from this number of days between start date and end date, and finally it will count the number of days which is our networking days. Now what to do, go to home, load, close and load. So here we got this networking days. Okay friends, thank you for watching.